He said, my pose. My pose. Oh.
It's a lot too good.
Jackson's like, play with me. And they're like, what are you doing? Oh. Silly Jackson. Oh, someone's upset. Oh, no. Be nice, man. Be nice. Oh, look. Oh. Yeah. Who would have thought a pole would be so fun? Uh-oh. It's a struggle to the end. It's a struggle.
They both go down.
That's it. They're done.